Question 1. Hydrology is the science which deals with. The correct answer is all of the above. Question 2. The percentage of fresh water available on Earth is approximately. The correct answer is 3%. Question 3. The hydrologic cycle is driven primarily by. The correct answer is solar energy. Question 4. The basic water budget equation is. The correct answer is inflow, outflow equals change in storage. Question 5. The residence time of atmospheric moisture is approximately. The correct answer is 8 to 10 days. Question 6. Precipitation includes. The correct answer is all of the above. Question 7. Rainfall intensity of light rain is. The correct answer is less than 2.5 mm divided by hour. Question 8. Rainfall intensity of moderate rain is. The correct answer is 2.5 to 7.5 mm divided by hour. Question 9. Virga is. The correct answer is rain that evaporates before reaching the ground. Question 10. Convective precipitation is caused by. The correct answer is rising of warmer, lighter air in colder surroundings. Question 11. Orographic precipitation is caused by. The correct answer is air masses striking mountain barriers. Question 12. Frontal precipitation is associated with. The correct answer is cyclones. Question 13. The standard non-recording rain gauge used in India is. The correct answer is Simon's rain gauge. Question 14. Recording rain gauges produce a plot of. The correct answer is cumulative rainfall versus time mass curve. Question 15. Which rain gauge is best suited for remote divided by inaccessible areas? The correct answer is tipping bucket. Question 16. A hydrograph is a plot of. The correct answer is rainfall intensity versus time. Question 17. A mass curve of rainfall is a plot of. The correct answer is accumulated precipitation versus time. Question 18. The slope of the mass curve of rainfall gives. The correct answer is rainfall intensity. Question 19. Double mass curve analysis is used to check. The correct answer is consistency of rainfall records. Question 20. To estimate missing rainfall data, the normal ratio method is used when normal annual precipitation differs by more than. The correct answer is 10%. Question 21. The most accurate method for calculating average precipitation over a catchment is. The correct answer is isoyedal method. Question 22. Thiessen polygons are constructed by. The correct answer is joining stations and drawing perpendicular bisectors. Question 23. An isoyed is a line joining points of equal. The correct answer is rainfall depth. Question 24. As per WMO, for flat regions of temperate zones, one station is required for. The correct answer is 600 to 900 square kilometers. Question 25. Pan coefficient CP for Class A land pan is. The correct answer is 0.70. Question 26. Colorado sunken pan has a pan coefficient of approximately. The correct answer is 0.8. Question 27. Evaporation is measured using. The correct answer is atmometer. Question 28. According to Dalton's law, evaporation is proportional to. The correct answer is S. Aya. Question 29. Chemical used to reduce evaporation from reservoirs is. The correct answer is cetyl alcohol. Question 30. Transpiration is the process of water loss from. The correct answer is plant leaves, stomata. Question 31. Evapotranspiration consumptive use as measured by. The correct answer is lysometer. Question 32. Penman's equation is used to estimate. The correct answer is potential evapotranspiration (PET). Question 33. Blaney-Criddle method estimates PET based on. The correct answer is temperature and day length. Question 34. Infiltration capacity of soil. The correct answer is decreases with time. Question 35. Horton's equation for infiltration capacity F is. The correct answer is F equals Fc plus Pho, Fc e to the power of kT. Question 36. Infiltration is measured using. The correct answer is infiltrometer. Question 37. Phi index is the average rainfall intensity above which. The correct answer is rainfall volume equals runoff volume. Question 38. W index is always blank phi index. The correct answer is less than or equal to. Question 39. W index excludes. The correct answer is initial losses, interception and depression storage. Question 40. Runoff is equal to. The correct answer is precipitation, losses. Question 41. Yield of a catchment is. The correct answer is net runoff volume over a period. Question 42. A flow duration curve is a plot of. The correct answer is discharge vs % of time flow is equaled or exceeded. Question 43. Ripple's mass curve is used to determine. The correct answer is reservoir capacity. Question 44. A hydrograph is a plot of. The correct answer is discharge versus time. Question 45. The rising limb of a hydrograph depends on. The correct answer is catchment characteristics and rainfall characteristics. Question 46. The recession limb, falling limb of a hydrograph depends mainly on. The correct answer is catchment characteristics, storage. Question 47. Base flow separation is done to obtain. The correct answer is direct runoff hydrograph (DRH). Question 48. The inflection point on the recession limb indicates. The correct answer is end of direct runoff into the channel. Question 49. Unit hydrograph theory was propounded by. The correct answer is L.K. Sherman. Question 50. A unit hydrograph is a DRH resulting from 1 cm of effective rainfall of. The correct answer is uniform intensity and specific duration. Question 51. The basic assumptions of unit hydrograph theory are. The correct answer is time invariance and linear response. Question 52. Area under the unit hydrograph is equal to. The correct answer is catchment area by 1 cm. Question 53. The S-curve technique is used to convert. The correct answer is unit hydrograph of one duration to another. Question 54. Snyder's synthetic unit hydrograph is used for. The correct answer is ungauged catchments. Question 55. Instantaneous unit hydrograph (IUH) assumes rainfall duration to be. The correct answer is 0, infinitesimally small. Question 56. Isochrones are lines connecting points of equal. The correct answer is time of travel to the outlet. Question 57. Time of concentration Tc is the time required for. The correct answer is water from the most remote point to reach the outlet. Question 58. Standard project flood SPF is. The correct answer is less than probable maximum flood PMF. Question 59. Return period T is related to probability of occurrence P as. The correct answer is T equals 1 divided by P. Question 60. The probability that a flood of return period T will occur at least once in n years risk is. The correct answer is 1 to 1 divided by T to the power of n. Question 61. Gumbel's method is used for. The correct answer is flood frequency analysis. Question 62. Dickens' formula for flood discharge Q equals Ca to the power of 3 divided by 4 is generally applicable to. The correct answer is North India. Question 63. Rives' formula for flood discharge Q equals Ca to the power of 2 divided by 3 is generally applicable to. The correct answer is South India. Question 64. Inglis' formula is applicable to catchments in. The correct answer is Maharashtra fan-shaped. Question 65. Flood routing is the process of determining. The correct answer is hydrograph at a downstream point given the upstream hydrograph. Question 66. Prism storage in a channel is a function of. The correct answer is outflow only. Question 67. Wedge storage in a channel is a function of. The correct answer is difference between inflow and outflow. Question 68. Muskingum method of flood routing uses the equation S equals. The correct answer is K She plus 1xq. Question 69. In Muskingum method, X is a weighting factor typically between. The correct answer is 0 and 0.5. Question 70. Attenuation in flood routing refers to. The correct answer is reduction in peak discharge. Question 71. Lag in flood routing refers to. The correct answer is time difference between inflow and outflow peaks. Question 72. Reservoir routing is a case of. The correct answer is level pool routing. Question 73. Aquifer is a geological formation that. The correct answer is yields significant quantity of water. Question 74. Aquiclude is a formation that. The correct answer is contains water but does not transmit it, e.g., clay. Question 75. Aquitard is a formation that. The correct answer is allows seepage but not yield, e.g., sandy clay. Question 76. Aquafuge is a formation that. The correct answer is neither contains nor transmits water, e.g., granite. Question 77. Confined aquifer is bounded by. The correct answer is impervious layers on top and bottom. Question 78. The surface of water in an unconfined aquifer is called. The correct answer is water table. Question 79. The locus of water levels in piezometers tapping a confined aquifer is. The correct answer is piezometric surface. Question 80. Porosity N is the ratio of. The correct answer is volume of voids to total volume. Question 81. specific yield psi is the water that. The correct answer is, can be drained by gravity. Question 82. Specific retention senior is the water. The correct answer is, retained against gravity. Question 83. The relation between porosity N, specific yield psi, and specific retention senior is. The correct answer is, N equals psi plus SR. Question 84. Darcy's law states that velocity of flow in porous media is proportional to. The correct answer is, hydraulic gradient I. Question 85. Darcy's law is valid for. The correct answer is, laminar flow Re less than 1. Question 86. Coefficient of permeability K has units of. The correct answer is, velocity cm divided by s or m divided by day. Question 87. Transmissibility T is defined as. The correct answer is, K asterisk depth of aquifer P. Question 88. Specific capacity of a well is. The correct answer is, discharge per unit drawdown. Question 89. Cone of depression is the. The correct answer is, depressed water surface around a pumping well. Question 90. Radius of influence is the distance from the well to where. The correct answer is, drawdown is 0. Question 91. Dupuit's assumptions are used for analysis of. The correct answer is, unconfined aquifers. Question 92. Recuperation test is used to determine. The correct answer is, yield of an open well. Question 93. Current meter is used to measure. The correct answer is, velocity of flow in a stream. Question 94. In the moving boat method of stream gauging, the velocity measured is. The correct answer is, relative velocity. Question 95. Stage-discharge relationship is also known as. The correct answer is, rating curve. Question 96. Dilution method tracer method is used for flow measurement in. The correct answer is, turbulent rocky streams where area is difficult to measure. Question 97. The shape factor of a unit hydrograph is the ratio of. The correct answer is, none. Question 97. The ordinate of the S-curve at equilibrium infinite time is. The correct answer is, I*A intensity *area. Question 98. Leaky aquifers are also known as. The correct answer is, semi-confined aquifers. Question 99. Intrinsic permeability K0 depends on. The correct answer is, properties of porous medium only. Question 100. The dimension of transmissibility T is. The correct answer is, L to the power of 2 divided by T.